welcome back to BTHQ Banter week 30. We're busy day in the studio today. We've got Leslie back in behind me. She is making a lady skater dress. I have to show you this fabric. Look at this. It's got mammoths all over it. I can't get it to show you. Ooh. Mammoths. It's so sweet. And who else have we got? Kat's in today. Give us a wave, Kat. She's making some PJs for her little girl. Emily's back. Give us a wave, Emily. And Emily's mum's come to see us today as well. She's doing some crochet. And Emily is finishing off her bag that she was making, the neck commuter tote. And then there's reprobates in the lounge. Reprobates?
Yes, reprobate 1.
Reprobate 1, reprobate 2 and reprobate 3. All a busy crochet. No one's crocheting. We're knitting and Diane's doing some more of her lovely paper piecing. And my battery's about to die. Let me change that. And Viv is using her backpack that she made the other day as her knitting bag. Go you. It would appear that Unit 2 has become a drying rack. Elspeth's pre-washed some of the fabrics she's bought at Walthamstow Market, but I thought I'd show you it. It's so lovely. This is one of the Okotex printed jerseys that normally would be about £17 a metre, but we picked this up in Saeed Fabrics, I think it was, wasn't it, which is one of the really nice shops in Walthamstow, and it's so nice, and it's beautiful qualities. It's made in the Netherlands, so you can always rely on it being lovely. She's going to make, what are you going to make with that? Oh, that's going to be a kilo wrap dress, isn't it? And this is also going to be a kilo. The light's funny in here today, so you can't really see this, but this has got lemons and pansies and oranges and peaches and little lilies and flowers and all sorts on it. And that's going to also be a kilo. And then this is what else is going to make her so over it Eve dress with, which is beautiful. I think that's viscose. No, it's rayon, isn't it?
Rayon, yeah.
And that's really lovely.
And that was what, £3
that was
a metre?
£3 a metre. Well, it was £3.50 a metre, but you flirted with the guy in the shop and got it for £3 a metre. You did! Okay, here's one for you, Sean. Look, Emily has finished her bag. Are you pleased with it?
Very pleased with it.
It's so lovely. And literally, you've only taken another, what, hour and a half?
Something like that.
On top of the class.
Yeah.
And bearing in mind you hadn't cut out in advance, you've done so well, and it's so neat. Well done. That is lovely.
Thank you.
Kat's made this little t-shirt to go with her PJs. She's used my faux rolled hem technique. I'll pop it up here. But I've decided I want some of this fabric. It doesn't fit me, sadly, but I want a t-shirt in this cat fabric. It's so cute. It's just gorgeous. Leslie's finished her dress. Look at it, it's mammoths. Are you pleased with it?
Yeah.
Yeah, she says. It's so lovely. I love that fabric. We should zoom in on your boobs, sorry. It's so gorgeous. You wouldn't actually know that that was mammoths really unless you get up close. Just looks like a really lovely autumny dress. Give us a twirl. Yay. And that's the Lady Skater by Kitchiku. Definitely a day for Jersey today. I've just made these little PJs for Izzy. Just done board shorts and a little short sleeve t-shirt. This is the crew neck top from Duck Butt Designs, and this is self-drafted, just rubbed off from an old pair of Tom's PJ shorts that fit her, that she loves. So I think she's going to be very happy with these when I get home. Well, that's another day at BTHQ over and done with. I'm quite pleased with what I've got done today. Not only did I finish Isabel's pyjamas, but I cut out and started to assemble my Ogden cami. If you haven't seen already, we are doing a sew-along, an Ogden cami sew-along in our free Facebook group, so you can find out more about that by joining the group. The link is in the description down below. So I'm just waiting for my mother-in-law to come and pick me up. She's had my car today. We're going to go home, pick up the wee ones, and then it will be time, I think, to watch some Stranger Things before coming in tomorrow for another busy day. I'll see you soon. Good morning, welcome back to BTHQ Banter. It is Saturday, it is 10:15 and we are super busy already. I've got 6 lovely ladies in Unit 1, all busy getting started on their beginners sewing course, and we have a whole heap of people next door doing mandala rock painting with Angie. Let me show you. Hello everybody. Angie's got some fabulous work attire. How are you all getting on, alright?
Excellent, love it. Yeah.
It's really good. They just grow. Fabulous.
I was feeling it today. I was totally feeling it.
Feeling the bling.
Feeling the bling.
It's gorgeous. Love it. Well done, everyone.
Thank you.
Ever wondered how they get those amazing hand shots? Well, this is a group hug like no other.
They're amazing. You've done that all yourself.
Coming in.
Well, cool on the camera.
Do you want me to?
No, that's right. You want to put your hands all
Put your
back.
hands in the
that's it.
middle.
Back in the middle.
Fabulous. Well done,
But I
guys.
do think
So we've got, oh, beautiful. Look at that. We've got a belly dancer. Oh yeah, the pit bloke's got his hands over his bits. That was what we were questioning. That's just bikini body.
you can get ones like that. But
And then we've got
I didn't get
superheroes
them.
at the back.
Just gonna
So I just need to show you the time. Look at that. 2:45. In fact, I'm going to zoom in on the clock. 2:45. I've never had a beginner's sewing group finish before probably 3:30. Well done, you guys. You are the best.
behind the bag or coming out the front bag.
Doesn't matter. All right, let's get your hold your pots up. Yay, say cheese. Oh, it's a lovely one. So everybody's gone home already. That was a really, really good class. As I say, I've never, ever, ever finished one quite so quickly, but they were obviously all just naturals. Now we've got an exciting thing happening. I'm not going home. The lovely Maddie, who teaches some of our advanced dressmaking classes and pattern cutting, is getting married in August. And so some of us have got together to give her a little crafty hen do at the studio. So just for a couple of hours, we were all bringing food and drink and nibbles. We're just going to sit, we're going to do a bit of crochet, and basically have a general crafty chit chat just for a couple of hours, just to celebrate her impending? No, impending's not the right word, is it? Is it impending? A forthcoming wedding. Just questioning. Mum's just arrived, so she's here. Say hello, Mummy. Hello. She's not got her sunglasses on today. So yeah, we're going to do that. So they'll be arriving in about half an hour. I have sewn up my Ogden cami. I'm very pleased with it, and I'm just going to quickly hem it so that I can wear it for the party. Check out all this lovely food. I'm going to eat it all. Say hello, everybody. Hello. Here's the bride. Yay! Bride to be. And they're all busy nooking. Nooking, knitting, crocheting, hooking, hooker by night, hooker by day, drinking. Tade is the most classy crafty you've ever met. Not only is she not crafting, but what are you drinking, Tade?
Southern Comfort.
And Coke.
In a mug.
In a mug.
Yeah.
Class. Cheers.
keep calm and keep on smiling. We are in it.
Good morning, welcome back to BTHQ Banter. It is Tuesday. It is hot, hot, hot. Elspeth has come in to sew some packing cubes. Viv has come in this morning for a meeting, which we've just had, and is now going to bring her sewing machine in so I can run through a few bits and bobs with her. And I am filming a project, I don't even know what number it is now, but the next project for our So Beautiful Things online sewing club. And that's about that today. We'll probably see you tomorrow. Hello and welcome back. Today is Wednesday and it is actually 4 o'clock. I'm sorry, I've not picked up the camera all day. We are currently experiencing a heat wave here in the UK. Yesterday it hit temperatures of about 34, I think. And today is due to be very, very similar, or has been very, very similar. Last night I made the executive decision to contact all my ladies who were due in today and ask them if they'd really rather come another day. mainly because I knew how hot it was in here yesterday. I knew how disgusting it would be in here today, and all three of them were making big long jersey dresses, and my brain's not working properly, Elspeth's brain's not working properly, which is no strange thing. Shut up. And I just thought it would probably be best. 2 out of the 3 said yes please Claire. I was thinking exactly the same thing, and Jackie did come in this morning, but even by lunchtime even her brain was fried, and she decided she'd come back and finish on another day. So today has been a cutting out day. I have successfully cut out my entire Annette commuter tote, and I've also cut out my matching necessary clutch wallet. We have fought with our overlocker, which continued to become unthreaded, but after singing to it beautifully earlier, Elspeth didn't capture that on camera either, it is now, touch wood, working. Anyway, that's that for today. So I'm sorry it's been a boring day. We haven't got anything to show you. Tomorrow is Thursday, day off. This will all get edited together by the magic of my fingers and go live on Friday morning as always at 7 o'clock, which is when you are probably watching it now. I will see you all again next week. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed another BTHQ banter, and I will see you soon. Bye.